StarLink, satellite internet for everybody, anywhere. Presentation prepared by Timur Lipson for Seneca College. Firstly, let's talk what a satellite internet is. Satellite internet access is internet access provided through communication satellites. Modern consumer-grade satellite internet service is typically provided to individual users through geostationary satellites that can offer relatively high data speed. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of using satellite internet. The main reason for using such a way of communication to the internet is the fact that it is location independent. The only thing you need is a terminal that connects to the satellite. User could access from any part of the Earth, even from the middle of the Pacific Ocean or Sahara Desert. Such benefit becomes extremely useful for rural areas or third-world countries where the leading common cable is too expensive. However, there are two drawbacks of using satellite internet. The current generation of satellite internet is much more expensive than cable internet and slower than the cable internet. For example, you can see that the average price for satellite internet is about $150 per month for 15 megabits per second. For example, the average price for cable internet in Canada is $50 per 100 megabits. That is much cheaper and faster. Now let's move to the main topic of this presentation, the StarLink company. StarLink is a satellite internet provider that was created by Elon Musk in 2015. The main goal of this company is to provide fast and cheap satellite internet around the world. They're going to achieve it by launching 12,000 satellites and arrange them around the Earth. StarLink has already launched 715 satellites and conducting close beta testing in North America. According to beta tester, current speed on uploading and downloading is about 100 megabits. That is really close to the cable internet. But in future, company is going to achieve the speed of 1 gigabit per second. So how the whole system works? All satellites will arrange around the Earth to create continuous and closed network. Each satellite will communicate with 4 other satellites using laser. That means they will beam data across the globe at almost the speed light, a speed that only fiber optic internet comes close to matching. User will connect to the network using pizza box size terminal that is pointed to the sky. Here you can see the first feedback from Elon Musk of using StarLink. He made very first tweet using this connection. Finally, let's ask the question to ourselves. Will everybody switch to the satellite internet? Nowadays, this is a question without answer. To a man, the transition period will be very long, but for far regions that are currently not connected to internet, it could become the only way to have an internet. I believe that time will put everything to its place. Thank you.